Just how vital is plastic to the healthcare industry? Plastic is a lightweight material that can be moulded to make pacemakers, prosthetics, and other potentially life-saving medical devices. Plastics help minimise the spread of infectious diseases. Reusable containers are providing a safe and environmentally friendly alternative to disposable containers for medical waste disposal. Sharp Smart containers have saved more than 20,000 Australian healthcare workers from needle stick injuries, while eliminating over 940,000 kilograms of plastic from landfill each year. That's 2.1 tonnes of plastic for every 100 beds. WashSmart robotic wash line technology achieves a 4 times higher sanitation than required by the CDC in the United States. Once decontaminated, they're sent back for reuse in healthcare facilities. It's not realistic to eliminate all plastic use in healthcare. Reduce, reuse, recycle to make a safe, sustainable future possible.